Hello, people. A lot of you have asked me what Aurasma is, and I'm going to demonstrate that for you. It's a mobile application that augments reality, and you can use things such as overlays, 3D models, websites, anything, music videos, whatever you want to do to a photo or a geographical location, and you can create media marketing tools, sort of, so you can change already existing signage. If somebody has a phone or a tablet and they look through the Aurasma application, and you can do just all kinds of different augmented type of stepping with different overlays that do things. So this overlay does something, and upon another overlay does another thing. They're called auroras, so each one you create is called an aurora. So when you're done, you can combine these auroras to make what's called a super aurora that does a lot of different other things. It can get as complicated or simple as you like, but basically this is what the interface looks like. So you start out with this, and then the camera's facing down so it looks dark, but you have your torch, which is your light on your phone. You have the user guide, which tells you kind of how to do it. The viewfinder, that's what scans the area to find what you're going to augment. The menu, this is an app that requires you to have an account. So the menu kind of shows your auroras that you've saved or you've created, because you actually have to download the models to your phone. It does it automatically, but behind the scenes, when you point the camera at something, that it has an aurora around it. You can also set up your own aurora just by using the application, which is kind of nice. So I'm just going to kind of show you how this works. So basically, you take any type of picture. So, like, for instance, this poster that I've been making. See it. You just aim it at it, and it automatically picks up the picture. And this is how I've set it up, just kind of like that. It takes the image off of the overlay. So the overlay comes to the screen, and then you can do certain things with that. So you can either set it to do something, play a song or whatever, but if I tap it, then it's going to load my website for my fictitious movie. It's kind of cool. So, I mean, the first time you do this, it takes a couple of seconds for it to load in there, but after that, it's very fast and functional. I'll do it more times to give you an idea. And it's kind of cool because you can move it around and move it up and down, and it follows your movements. So, I mean, it almost 3Ds. And if you load up a 3D file, you can move it around it, look under it, look inside of it. So, I mean, it adds a certain effect to your art or whatever you use it for. And personally, I think it's the coolest thing ever. So, give it a try, see what you think, and that pretty much what Aurasma is. See ya.